If you've ever wondered how many people are reading your WordPress blog posts but haven't found an easy way to track those numbers, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simplest and most reliable way to see your post views right from your WordPress dashboard, no coding required. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear system in place to monitor your content's popularity, make smart decisions about what to create next, and impress your team or readers with real stats. Let's dive straight in. The method I recommend is super user-friendly because it uses a plugin. Plugins are basically little apps for your website, and in this case, they do all the heavy lifting of counting post views for you. You won't need to touch any code, so you can focus on your content, not the backend. First things first, you'll want to install your plugin. Go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. That's your main control panel for everything on your site. On the left, find Plugins and click Add New. In the search box, type something like Post Views Counter or Monster Insights. Both are popular and well-supported options. What's great is both of these plugins are trusted by thousands of site owners, so you're in good hands. When you see a plugin you like, simply click Install Now. Wait for WordPress to do its thing. This might take a few seconds, so don't worry if the button spins for a moment. Once the Install button changes to say Activate, click that. Activating the plugin tells WordPress to actually start using it. Without that step, it just sits there. Now comes the part where you can fine-tune how your counts are tracked. After activation, you'll usually find a new menu for your chosen plugin, maybe under Settings, or sometimes it'll have its very own menu link like Post Views Counter. Take a moment to browse the available options. Here you can choose exactly which types of content you want to count. Maybe you only care about blog posts, or maybe you want to track pages too. This is also where you can make some smart tweaks, like telling the plugin not to count views from bots or when you, as the admin, are logged in. That way, your numbers better reflect real readers and not just background noise. Don't rush past these options. Think of them like setting the rules for a board game so everyone's playing fair. If you're not sure about something, you can always leave most settings as their default, or hover over the little question mark icons for quick tooltips. Once you've saved your settings, the real magic happens. Head over to Posts in your dashboard and look at the All Posts list. You should see a brand new column, probably labeled Views or maybe Insights, displaying the view count for every post. This gives you a super clear overview with just a glance. No more guessing which articles are hits and which need more promotion. Many plugins even add an overview widget right on your main dashboard screen or offer detailed reports if you want to see trends over time. It's kind of like having a fitness tracker but for your content, and that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've set up a working post view counter in WordPress that'll help you measure your article's performance. If you run into any snags, don't stress. Most plugins have great documentation and there's a huge community ready to help. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how post counts help your own site. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this to help you level up your WordPress site. See you in the next video.